Mystery log, character profile, Mrs. Webster. As you read, please highlight any sentences that you could use as evidence against the staff member. Background. You are very well liked by all. Not only do the other staff members like you, but they respect you. You are well connected, to say the least. Any one of the other suspects would have no problem having your back. You have been married to Mr. Webster for 20 amazing years, long enough to know when something is wrong with him, even if he doesn't tell you that something is bothering him. He has been off for a couple of weeks now, and you think that it is because he is hanging around different people lately. From what you know, these people are not the kind that you want as friends. You haven't gotten the chance to talk to Mr. Webster about it, but you know that Mr. Henry was planning on confronting Mr. Webster at this get-together. Alibi. You were with Miss Couture talking when the body was found. What other alibi do you need? However, would Miss Couture, who loves and respects you, cover for you? Are you lying about not confronting Mr. Webster? Are you trying to cover for Mr. Webster? Please fill out the columns below. Race paragraph must be in complete sentences. You can also look back at your notes if you need them. Race paragraph. Do you think Mrs. Webster is guilty? Pick one. Restate an answer. I think that Mrs. Webster is guilty because. I do not think that Mrs. Webster is guilty because. Cite text evidence. Explain how that evidence supports your answer. Reasons why you think that she could be guilty. Important pieces of information. Copy and paste the sentences that support the reasons that you come up with.